I'm Cameron Vanderberg, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Infravision. My whole life I wanted to be an engineer. I wanted to really follow in my dad's footsteps, and so I got into engineering and studied mechanical engineering at JCU. So I picked JCU because of the combination of great engineering school, outdoor lifestyle, and really the people that make things happen up there. Started my career as the engineer in charge of stringing power lines the old way. It really inspired me to think, surely there's a 21st century way of doing something that has never changed for 100 years. And so the idea behind Infravision was to really think differently about how we build and upgrade high voltage power lines to connect solar and wind and renewable energies to the electric grid. And ultimately that led to us building a product that uses drones to string those high voltage lines all around the world. Infravision's goal is to make the biggest contribution we possibly can to decarbonizing the world's electric grid and transitioning the world to clean, sustainable energy as quickly as we possibly can. Built our factories and initial operations in Australia, but since then we've scaled to India, the United States and Canada, and are now looking to do even more of this all over the world. I get a lot of energy and inspiration from bringing an idea on the whiteboard into reality, and then ultimately getting that technology out in the field and seeing it do something real, building that power line and seeing it go from nothing to something has always been what gets me out of bed in the morning. I didn't build this company, it's the team around me. I work with a team of absolute geniuses, helped me think differently, and ultimately is still around me today, which has enabled the success and me to have an incredible and exciting journey. What I'm most proud of is that the idea started at JCU, started in Townsville, and we've been able to bring this idea to the world. But I think if we keep going, this idea is going to live forever, and it all started at JCU with innovation that's led out of Townsville.